you? What you look like?
I'm pretty attractive.
You're pretty attractive. Lord, me love her. All attractive now work, me love. Cause sometimes all of the ugly girl, them you just bag the face and the man them just face.
You know what? Your attitude seems to me like you ugly.
Oh,
you
no, darling, no.
You must be ugly.
Why you don't want to come call me ugly? No man, a blood clot bag my pussy clot face, my love. No man never bag my pussy clot face. You know what a bomb clot you come call ugly.
You never call ugly people, I'm afraid of you?
Yes, well you sound afraid, cause me not afraid, Me not afraid. Me can't tell you which part me there. Come on, down your blood clot. You call me for advice and me tell you say if it stop, nice up. You have to open the pussy and get the man. Fling up the foot them in the ear.